Alright, so it is January 25th, and I just bought this Coastway welding cart with 4 drawers. Alright, the pros, it looks good on the Amazon website, and that's about where it ends. Your drawers, barely can get them open. They do not weld these back corners, and they only weld here, and check it out. Rust. There's almost rust on every single bolt that you can find. Rust everywhere. On top of that, it's just real shoddy. The drawers are almost impossible. I'm not even going to finish it. I'm so unimpressed with this. If I was the company, I would not advertise this as something that they made. The instructions. I hope you're good at reading pictures, because on page 1 they're going to show you, oh, look at all the assemblies, look how it goes together. Second page, they're going to show you the wheels and how to get those on. That's always hard. They're going to show you the one bracket, and then that's it. 5-star rating? I don't think so. That's it. It literally goes from page 5 to page 6, and that is all. They don't tell you anything else on how to put this thing together. So you literally got to go online, look at the picture, and even then you're going to screw it up, because these pieces, you actually got to put those on first, and they go in a certain way and a certain rotation, so you'll have fun fighting that. But this thing is really, really shoddy, and it'll probably find its way to the dumpster, or I'll cut it up and weld something with it, but I am not putting my welder on this. I hope this helps anybody else that wants to buy one of these, but I would not recommend it. The good plus side is chain was not rusted, and it's actually an okay chain. Other than that, you're just going to have rust everywhere. Every bolt rust. And the drawers, they're accessible from the back. So you're like, oh, we can lock it and nobody can get in. No, you can get into it. So, not a good buy. $129. This is something Harbor Freight would probably sell for like $50. This is not worth the money. Even the lock is hard to use. Hope this is helpful.